How to reverse a clip in CapCut PC. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC, import your video, then drag the video in your timeline. After it's in your timeline, above your timeline you'll find an option with two arrows. Click on it, and there you will find reverse. Click on reverse in there. It will reverse your clip. It may take some time. After it's done, you will be able to see your clip in the reverse mode. After you're satisfied, press on export at the top and export your video as you want. And this is how to reverse a clip in CapCut PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.